It's Monday morning in Wote, Makueni County. Kibera team are here to help train the county government officials together with some community members on how to map their projects under the participatory budgeting program supported by World Bank.
One thing that Kibera will help us in is trying to digitize what we've been doing with the communities during participatory budgeting.
What we had here is just the standard.
Zach Wambua, lead mapper, started with an introduction to the OpenStreetMap, a tool that Kibera has so much specialized in.
Also been doing just
We introduced them to OpenStreetMap, which is the platform that we've been using to do mapping. We got a team that is quite advanced even when it comes to technology. So most of them have used computers, have used mobile phones before, so it was easier.
The training exercise that involved the use of editing software, JOSM, and a data collection app, ODK, as well as the use of GPS gadget, began in Wote County.
So collect point unaandika kama ni swimming pool, collect point kama ni bench, na collect kama ni hizo shade hizo.
We also did a bit of training on using a tool called ID editor, where they can be able to contribute remotely. Even when they are in their offices, they can be able to contribute to and build up the base map of the Wote and Boni wards, which are like the priority, the pilot projects.
It feels very good to be the first ones to pilot this exercise. It markets us, it makes us feasible, it gives us a ground for being seen.
So far we've learned how to use a few gadgets. We've learned on how to use the GPRS machine, on getting coordinates, the exact location of features.
I have learned a lot of things from Kibera thing, because I've realized that we can even have one officer in a sub-count coordinating all the projects and giving the information to the headquarters of the status of the projects and actually the physical location where they are in real time.
On the mapping exercise, we've learned about the software, the street mapping software, and how we can connect to the world using the street mapping.
Actually, which I would say excites me most and everybody else is the ODK system. Because the other things, you remember we had challenges of network, internet was very low, but the phones we are having here, the smartphones we are having, are very easily used, are user-friendly. And from the time we started doing ODK, up to this time, people, their lives changed.
It will enable members of the community to contribute and update new projects as well as unfinished or stalled, putting Makueni County as a whole on the OpenStreetMap.
The years that we had before, done by Ministry of Lands, had not been rolled out to every staff or to everybody in Makueni County to know exactly what they did on the ground. And this one now is like, if we roll out in the 30 wards, it will be very now easy to get exactly where these projects are and at what level they are.
We want to market Makueni as an investment destination. So with this kind of attention from maybe Kibera and other stakeholders, it will also make us feasible.
The exercise is good for Makueni County because our areas will be digitalized, and when we are doing the public participation, instead of drawing the map, actually we'll be having it, I think, online.
On the list under health, is that list about whether it's a ward?
It's been good so far. We've had an amazing team, which are quite, I can say they've been quite attentive and their participation has been good.
These are just, this is the first training for one ward, and which will act as a pilot. Then later on, we would like to cascade the whole exercise in all wards so that we have digitized maps.
Kibera team and World Bank will be moving next to Baringo and West Pokot counties respectively to implement the same and do all counties thereafter. Wino Joshua, Kenen in Makueni County.